Hi, this is Ross with DIY on the House. Are you having problems with your vehicle and you need a diagnosis? Watch today's video and I'll show you the tool for the job. If you're a DIY auto mechanic like me, I do my own work and I need to know what problems I'm having with my vehicles. And the standard palm-held Diagnostics OBD2 tool isn't doing it for you. You need to try the XTOOL. I will show you how it works in today's video. Hi everyone, this is the XTOOL D5S. This is a smart diagnostics system tool. This tool isn't for programming, it's for running diagnostic codes and for monitoring your system. So you can go through quite a range of live diagnostics, what's going on with your vehicle. You can monitor systems. You also have airbag system faults and monitoring as well. This is a really nice tool. This tool will be so much more advanced than your standard palm-held OBD2 scan tool. Just an overview of the unit itself. It has rubberized corners on it for impact, and then you have at the top you have the on-off button. You have your diagnostic cord port, and then under this cover you have your USB-C connector via USB, and also for charge. And then you also have the slot for a SanDisk as well. So as far as connection goes, you have the standard connection that you might see on a computer monitor. That'll connect to the top, and then this will go to your OBD2 port on your vehicle. So first things first, we need to go ahead and power the unit on. So to go through the screen, you have auto scan, and that we won't be doing that until we actually get it hooked up. You'll have a diagnostic, OBD2, special functions, and your updates and more. So first thing you want to do is go to your more button, and you're going to go to settings, and you're going to choose your language, your units. This is in metric units. I'm going to go ahead and put that into US units. You have your Wi-Fi connection, your display, which will give you your screen brightness and your sleep time, your storage, your date and time. So you want to definitely go to the date and time. So once you come to this screen, this is the date and time. This is Arizona, so I set that up to Arizona time. Once we get all that established, we can go back. You can go to report. There are no reports right now in your profile. You can go to your profile, go to your account, and that'll have your personal information. Once you get that all set up, you'll go to your updates. All right, so once you do this, you'll go through your updates that you can do, and you'll definitely want to do your updates. Okay, so we'll go right back to our original screen here. We have 73 updates, and I'm not going to go through all the updates. That's going to go through all the different vehicles. We only have 3 different brands of vehicles, and that's what we're going to stick with. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this up to the vehicle, and we'll go through some of the functions on there. Okay, so I've gotten the XTOOL scanner in the vehicle right now. This is a 2013 Chevy Silverado. I've got it hooked up to my OBD2 port, and I'm just going to go ahead and run a diagnosis. So you're going to go through a few questions, a lot of optional questions, base radio and trailer brakes and blah, blah, blah. Then it'll tell you exactly what vehicle you're in with the VIN number. So I got automatic scan and into control. And now it will just automatically read out what's going on. I know that I have a airbag situation with my passenger seat with the cushion, pressure cushion. And so I know that's there, and I'm also detecting a electronic brake control as well. So I did want to go through with, we're going to go ahead and ignore these because I know they need to be fixed. We can do a live data reading. That's what's really nice about this unit. You can do live data on the vehicle. So I can run to that, I can go to engine. Everything is zeroed out right now. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. That'll bring my RPMs up. My battery voltage right now up in here is 12.4 volts. And then I can go through my sensors and see where everything is running. So I can run back. I can go to the transmission, cooling, HVAC. The list goes on and on of what you can go through and what you can find out what is actually going on. All right, there you have it. That's an overview of the D5S XTOOL Smart Diagnostic System, and this is just a wonderful tool. XTOOL sent this to us to give it a try and also to review it. I think it's an excellent tool. Just having the live diagnosis of the live readouts is major. You just can't see that on a standard OBD2 tool. I hope today's video helped you out on finding the right tool to help you on your automotive diagnostic needs. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.